Alright, beat off him. Alright, beat off him. We already washed the whole car. I'm gonna give y'all a tour around the whole car. And then we're gonna back it up. So this is gonna be like a short video, but we're gonna just back the car up and and then we'll get it out of the puddle. But we gotta watch out for his thing. Gotta make sure the volume's all the way down because I don't want to get copyrighted. So let's go walk around. Alright. So this is this side. This is the front. This is this side. This is the back. Look, so the backup camera right here, super dirty. But I cleaned it. So now we're gonna back the car up. Oh, first. All right. Just a little bit, Jesus. Hey, bro. Mama dog was dropping, bro. Oh, that backup camera. Let me show y'all that backup camera. Look at that. Look at that backup camera. Now that's a beauty, bro. That's a beauty right there. Let's put it in drive just a little bit. It's a drive, right? Yeah. Just a little bit over. All right. That's good enough. Moved it out the puddle. Oh, the hose pipe. Oh, the car's on it. Okay. We're just gonna pull it up just a tiny bit. Actually, Billy ran his stuff over. That should be good. That should be good to get it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's good enough. Let's turn the water off. Let's see what it's stuck on. Set y'all up real quick. See what this thing's stuck on. Don't look like that. Bruh. Now we gotta back it back up. And just a little bit. Oh, gosh. I'll be right back, guys. That's good. It's out of the way and everything. You got movers here. So. He just moved into this house. So yeah. But anyway. Ooh. Anyway. Ooh, I'm trying not to fall. If you enjoyed that video, smash that subscribe button. Hold on, what? What else do they need to smash? That subscribe button. Smash that subscribe button. Smash that like button. Share it to all your friends so they can go subscribe to the B-Dog fam. All right, man. I'm trying to get the beef. Come on, man. Let's hit 400 before Christmas. And if we hit 500 before Christmas, no, it says we hit 300. I did promise you guys, if we hit 300, I'll do a backflip in some grass, right? I did promise you that. What the hell? I promised you guys. So that's what we better do. So, we're going to set you up real quick. All right. So let's do it. Appreciate you for 300 subscribers. We have 400. I'll do another one. And every 100 subscribers, like say we hit 500, I'll do another one. 600, hit another one. As soon as we hit Like you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm getting to. But anyway, if you enjoyed that video, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one for another banger. And as always, peace.